What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Case Digital. Today we're answering the question of how to find all of the tables in your SQL database. So I am in an SQL terminal. I've logged in through that server. And then all you're going to do, this is very simple. All you're simply going to do is just type in the keyword of show, and then you can type in tables. And now there's two things. If you're new to SQL, if you just hit enter here, what's going to happen is you're going to see this arrow. And that's because SQL requires that everything end in a semicolon. That basically tells it, hey, I'm done with this statement. Go ahead and execute it. So now if I hit enter, you'll see that, hey, this kind of like table shows up and said, hey, tables in test, which is the test is the name of the database I'm in, and you'll see that there is a test table. So again, just to kind of show this again, we can say show tables, and now remember we want to end saying with an exclamation, or not an exclamation point, but a semicolon, and hit enter, and just like that, it's going to say, hey, it'll give you a breakdown of all of the tables, and then this output also will also tell you, hey, how many tables are there from that command? And as we can see, there's just one. So that's a very simple example of how you can show all of the tables, and not just one, but show all of the tables in your SQL database. And that's your SQL tip of the day. Till next time, keep on programming.